Hi, today we have a Mercedes from 2006 B-Class. The turn light on the mirror is not working on this side, and I know for sure the LED is okay, so I suspect there is a wiring problem. So I'm going to disassemble it and we'll see what we have. I can already see there are some wires here which are not supposed to be here. I will use this battery as my power tester. Well, as you can see, I have here some wiring which is not supposed to be here this way. So someone has been here doing something. Now I'm just going to replace them with something more normal. But to do that, I need to set this mirror assembly in open position, and if you give power to pins 5 and 6, it should do the work. No, this side. There, perfect. According to the diagram, pins 8 and 9 are actually these ones here from that light bulb itself. So I'm going to check the wiring first, and then we'll get there too. It's a bit difficult to see, but I need to make this wire here free in there. So I need to make it come free, and then I will be able to pull it out a little bit. I think I'm starting to understand what's happened here. So I suppose this wire, it's a plus or minus, I'm not sure. I think something happened to this one here. So what they did, they put an extra one to go around the problem, and that was done a bit awful, if you ask me. So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to cut these wires here, and I'm going to replace them with one wire instead of two. Before I'm going to do something, I'm going to test this with the multimeter. Normally we should hear this. So I am going to try this now. Nothing. So I'm going to replace this piece here with another good wire, because this one is broken somewhere, and it's just easy to put to make another one here, to solder a new one, and the problem is gone. Now we need to solder on the other side. Now we'll test it with multimeter. So we have contact. So one is complete. The next one is, I suspect it's number 9, but to be sure, I stripped here a little bit. I'm going to put here a temporary wire. It's just to test it. Now on this side, I'll do the same. And I will use my battery as power supply. If everything is right, we should have a working lamp here. Eight, 9. There. It's a one way to test it, so you can be sure. Now we just need to test it. It's working. So the mirror is assembled. Now I'm going back to the car to install it and test it out later.